Together, let us continue shaping a strong, fair, and future-ready Bagong Pilipinas. So long as our visions are aligned, we will succeed.
We believe that education is the best investment that any nation can make in its people. Ang mga reformang tunay na aabot sa malalayong komunidad, magpapabuti sa kalidad ng pagtuturo at maghahanda sa ating mga estudyante. Now, you have brought home 10 golds, 7 silvers, 8 bronzes, 5 medallions for excellence. I think that you have achieved our purpose.
Sobrang passionate po talaga ng mga Pilipino pagdating po sa skills. Malaki po talaga yung mararating ng mga Pilipino with enough help sa ating government.
We're all very proud of you because there is more to this than just a contest or just a competition. It also shows the quality of the training that we have given our workers. Malaking bagay yan eh. That is why it is important that we recognize the excellence that you have shown in all your work.
So Mr. President, thank you for having this spotlight on TESDA. Makakatulong po ito para mas malaman po ng tao yung existence as well as yung importance ng pagtitake ng mga courses po dito sa lab.